Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain using Regex how to print the vowels from a given input string. So let's start the tutorial. And I click enter. Notice here I got the output, I got the vowels characters only, lowercase and uppercase letters from this string.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials, and here the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now I am adding one new Python file called print vowels regex.py, and here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is print only vowels AEIOU from a given input string using regex. Now first I am importing re module to implement in the regex methods. Then here my condition is I want to enter the string using input method. So string 1 variable is equals to input, enter the string is equals to, then what I'll do is for x in str1 now after for loop I am adding if condition. If re.search method, in the search method I am adding between single quotes, between square brackets, the characters I want to print AEIOU, which are the vowels, and also I am using the capital letters. Then x, this variable I am adding here x, then print x comma I am adding and is equals to, I am giving some spaces between every character. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file, save all. We will check the final output. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. Print only vowels AEIOU from the given input string using regex method. So the command is py print vowels regex.py, and I click enter. Notice it's prompting the enter the string. Here I am adding learn Python. My condition is the capital letters, it will count, it will print the vowels capital and small letters also. That's why I am adding mixed characters. Learn Python, then full course tutorial, and I click enter. Notice here I got the output, I got the vowels characters only, lowercase and uppercase letters from this string. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to print only the vowels from a string using regex in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.